Welcome back to the DP World Dressing Room. Happy moments there at the Dubai International Stadium. Virat Kohli and the Mrs. Anushka Sharma must be very, very happy and proud of her husband, who has been a fantastic asset for Indian cricket. There is the captain, Rohit Sharma, hugging his daughter. That is really, really very special. You know, daughters are the best, no question about it.
Absolutely.
And
that's the trophy that every father wants.
Yeah, that's the greatest trophy that you could have. I think so. Just incredible. And Pandya there.
आप sons को ignore कर रहे हो.
I think sons are also special, no question about it.
हम भी भाई बेटे थे 14-15 साल के बाद कुछ याद नहीं था माँ बाप का सिर्फ दोस्त play friends girls you know you have two of them mashallah.
Absolutely. But I want to ask you guys something. As cricketers, people, you've represented your countries respectively. What is the role of family in your careers, in your respective careers? What was the role of the family in your respective?
This is very important. Very, I mean, on some tours you want them, on some tours you don't, because you want to focus. And, you know, when your kids are young, it can be difficult on tours. Because अगर आपने सोना है या extra कमरा आप ले देंगे तो बच्चा उड़ जाए तो आपके ऊपर पड़ता है. But families are families, यार, उनके बगैर तो जिंदगी गुजर नहीं सकती.
Yeah. Jadubaji?
I think at different stages, they have different roles. When you're young, 18, 19, 20-year-old, if you have an elder brother or a father who talks about cricket, there is somebody that you can talk, because we live in an uncertain world. When you're in a cricket team, everybody's competing. You're coming through the system. So to have somebody that you can share your feelings with, I think that's the role. Then when you get a little older, married, you know, there's a partner that you have. But अब तो allowed नहीं है कहीं. लेकिन जब बच्चे हो जाते हैं, I think that really changes the way you look at, you know, not just cricket and life. और जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि I think there is a lot of sacrifices that you make as a father as well, because, you know, if you are away on a tour for 3 months, 4 months, and you have a daughter who's 2-3-year-old daughter, that's the time you want to spend with her. So in a way, it is something that you live abnormally. On the other side, which he was referring to, I'll tell you a story about Sachin Tendulkar was a man that I remember. He was a father very early in his life. And जब वो टूर पे आते थे बच्चे, डॉटर ही थी तब, टेस्ट मैच होगा तो वो उस मतलब वो शाम तक साथ में एक पीरियड होता था, because he had a system of, you know, getting into the groove of the game. वो डिनर के बाद वो रूम ही अलग रखता था.
Right.
You know, it's not that he, तो वो इतना फोकस करते थे, और वो आपकी बेगम, आपके बच्चे और आपकी फैमिली ये समझें, वो उनका सैक्रिफाइस है कि वो ये करते हैं, क्योंकि आम आदमी जब घर आता है शाम को तभी तो मिलता है.
Correct.
ये एक खिलाड़ी सारा दिन ग्राउंड पे वैसे ही बाहर है, फिर वो एक टाइम के बाद वो कहे जी अब मैं टीम मीटिंग में जा रहा हूँ या मैं अपने प्लेयरों के साथ बैठ रहा हूँ, क्रिकेट की बातें करनी है. वो सैक्रिफाइस आपकी वाइफ, आपके बच्चे और आपकी फैमिली करती है. एंड एवरीथिंग इन द हाउस इज हेल्ड फॉर यू, कि यार आप खेल रहे हैं, आप पाकिस्तान के लिए खेल रहे हैं, इंडिया के लिए खेल रहे हैं, शादी ब्याह हर चीज से आपको माफी होती है.
Yeah. But Wasim, you're actually living that life still, away from the family.
I mean,
you know,
I
that
haven't seen my
sacrifice is going on.
10-year-old and obviously my wife, my boy, 24, about for 2.5 months now.
Yeah. So
Yeah, it's
same
tough.
for you, Vakar, as well. You're consistently traveling on assignments around the world, traveling most of the time away from the family in Australia. You're all over the world. Kis tarah, how do you put up? Obviously, playing days was a different story, but now it's a different story.
Yeah, I think it's more, you know, bigger responsibility now. So I think when you're not married, it's a different ball game altogether. I'm the eldest in the siblings, and और मेरे लिए पहले siblings का support बहुत थी, parents की बड़ी support थी खेलने में भी. फिर जब when I got married in 2000, और more or less मेरा career was done.
Right.
लेकिन जब when I got married, the entire thinking, looking at the life also, not only cricket but life also changed, and I think Frayal, she has really supported me in all aspects of life. जो बच्चों का भी होता था, जैसे बताया ना कि बच्चों को लेके कैरी करना, अलहदा रखना, make sure कि you get enough rest. I think she's done all of that, and of course बच्चे तो खैर अब तो बड़े हो गए हैं. My career actually evolved after that. Because, you know, पहले साल में और बल्कि 3 सालों में मेरे 2 बच्चे हो गए थे, and then, you know, just to support me also, and I became captain also after that. Before that, I was just, you know, I actually was thinking of retiring before that, and I played, 3-4 seasons after that.
Wow, that's amazing. Nikhil, for you, the family's role for your
बड़ा
career?
फर्क पड़ता है, because at the end of the day, you know, आप सारा दिन खेल रहे हैं वापस आ रहे हैं, that switch off करना भी जरूरी है ना, especially on tours. You're switched on all the time. It gets tiring. Family साथ होती है, you know, that switch off is also so very important. It makes a big difference.
Yeah, thank you guys for sharing that because you know it is important. The pillar of family, especially in the subcontinent, for all of us.
या
has a
शुरू में
different
जब
meaning.
छोटे थे तो मैं भूल गया कि भाई बड़े भाई हैं, 2 एयरपोर्ट से पिक करना, ड्रॉप करना, अगर पिंडी जाना तो पिंडी गाड़ी लेके जाके ड्रॉप करना,
Yeah.
फिर वापस आना. माय ब्रदर्स, यू नो, सिस्टर वाज यंगर, बट यू नो एवरीबडी चिप्ड इन. आई मीन आपके साथ भी हर क्रिकेटर्स, हर स्पोर्ट्समैन के साथ.
So to all family members around the world of all athletes, you know, a big thank you to all of you for your sacrifice.
Hats off to them. Hats off to them.
Hats off to you all. You know, so thank you so much for giving us, because of your sacrifices, we get to see all of these great legends play, represent their countries, and give us those great memories, you know, that we carry with us for life. In this tournament, ICC Champions Trophy, I'm going to ask you all four, one by one, starting with you, Wasim. Your best takeaway or most memorable part?
आई सपोज ऐसे क्वेश्चन अगर घंटा पहले आप बता दे तो बंदा सोच लेता है. मैंने कल नहीं याद की होया तो पूरे टूर्नामेंट दी गल कर आप
मैं
बता.
बता
Yeah,
सकता हूँ.
yeah.
वो जो डीजीपी वर्ल्ड में जो डब्बे के अंदर जो कुछ है ना,
वो जो ट्रक आज खुलता है
वो
अभी.
जो मैं खड़ा है ना, then that's the biggest takeaway for me.
स्ट्रेट अवे एक चीज ज़हन में आती है, ग्लेन फिलिप्स की फील्डिंग.
Oh, yeah.
His
That's
catches.
it. That's good.
You know, वो
That's
तो
good.
हाईलाइट थे जो एकदम ज़हन में आते हैं, वो
बिल्कुल.
आते हैं. बाकी
That's good.
बड़ी जबरदस्त मोमेंट्स थी.
Yep.
But
And-
that comes in straight to a
That's
mind.
it. That's it. This is the Rizwan catch, which was on his left.
Yeah.
You know,
This is
this
Virat
was
on the
Virat
right.
catch on his right. And this was a straight rocket to his face, which he caught over. his
बंदा
head.
जाए तो जाए कहाँ?
बंदा कितने जाए? But look at this, ये जो फुल्का छोड़ा है ना सेंटर में.
नहीं, बट ये पूरी मिडिल की है उसने ये शॉट. It wasn't a miss hit.
I know.
was
But
like a
that
trace
full
of bullets.
Gultara, it was a full Gultara.
Yeah, trace of bullet. Look at that,
mean,
kept his
that's-
eyes
look
on
at
the
that.
ball.
Look at that.
यहाँ पे जाके थोड़ी पेस जब हाथ के पीछे लेके जाता ना हल्का सा, मैं होता था चौका सी.
Superhuman speed off the bat, 113
जो
kilometers.
बॉलर हो रहा था मैंने उसे कहना था रिएक्शन टाइम देखिए 0.78 seconds.
Unbelievable.
Unbelievable. मैं कहता सॉरी पाइन नजर नहीं आया.
All right, for you, Jatu Paji.
Oh, I think जो रिकवरी की है अभी विकी ने घर जाने से पहले अपनी बेगम की जो तारीफ की है, you know, मैं अभी देख रहा था, मैंने बेगम की इतनी तारीफ की है, फिर मुझे ध्यान आया आज हमारा आखिरी दिन है, फ्लाइट पकड़नी है, अब जाना तो घर है. ये देखो जी, उन्होंने फ्लाइट की है.
यार जदू बाजी गुड मतलब एक मैं सिर्फ
नहीं,
ये कह सकता
मैं मिस कर गया
हूं, एक
बेगम को.
दफा आपने 96 में हमारे भाई के साथ जाती की थी और एक दफा 2025 में आप जाती करके जा रहे हैं, एक दफा फिर उड़ा के जा रहे हैं.